you ever realized that in your lifetime, you will never be able to surround and enjoy all the natural beauty in Indonesia? Why do you have to go all the way abroad if in Indonesia you can get all the beauty of nature? The universe provides us a very valuable lesson about beauty throughout the beauty of the rainbow with its various colors. Make the difference as a beauty, not as a debate. The universe not only presents beauty, but also holds many mysteries that can give birth to fear. But for adventures, fear must be faced, right? Are not you afraid of nature being angry? You still dare to dirty and make it. Interacting, recognizing, and enjoying the beauty of nature awakes us to preserve and protect Indonesians' nature. Indonesians' nature provides everything for humans, but are humans still willing to protect their nature? Looking ahead by saying all the natural beauty of Indonesia that already exists, grateful for what we can do. Preserving Indonesians' nature is our collective duty, so that later our children and grandchildren can still enjoy its beauty. Don't just enjoy the nature of Indonesia, but also take care of it.
If you have never been standing in a loose valley, you will never know how magnificent the earth you are stepping on. The beauty of nature is able to delight our imagination to a extent that is impossible according to reason. Can you still be proud of this beautiful nature of His creation? Even high-rise buildings with all their splendor and architecture are still not able to compete with this nature beautiful. There are no words that can interpret the beautiful of nature above the hike, nor can words interpret the deep of love in the heart. The closer you are to the beautiful that the universe provides, the less interested you are in debate and competition. If nature presents a view, then the universe presents beauty. So what makes you comfortable if belief is no longer being fought for? You will not be able to enjoy the beauty of the sunset if there is not beautiful lake in your heart. You will not be able to enjoy the beautiful peace of nature if there is no peace in your heart. Whenever I complete the natural wonders of Mother Earth, I am always grateful for the blessing that God have given to this nation.